Sorry, Claire.
Or else make you jealous next time you can make me jealous on the rambutan.
Well, if you make me jealous, I'm going to keep it so 1,000 number times.
No, if you make me jealous, I'm gonna pakita you the pencil kit in the gacha.
If you do this one more time, if I come to your house, I'm going to do your gacha like your pencil case.
No, you can't.
Ano to?
Yan. If you break it, that means you're gonna buy it. By the way, you can't break
No,
my
Molly will bayaran it. Hindi naman yun si Ate Claire eh.
Oh.